Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my Zendo review. Now, everyone knows that the money is in the email list, but the problem is that a lot of email marketing companies will shut your account down or you pay 20, 30, 40, $50 a month. Here's a new program that you can use to send emails that will inbox Google emails. The world's first Gmail and Yahoo friendly autoresponder to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with no monthly fee. Send unlimited emails to unlimited customers. This is 100% done for you DMARC, and basically integrates autoresponders to get higher inboxing and clicks. Instant opt-in and no need for verification, 99.9% delivery rate, and higher open rates. Now that's really excellent in terms of what you need to do to make money online. This is 100% done for you SMTP server, so you don't have to use your own server, Gmail, whatever you're using. You don't have to use your own server, and it's unlimited emails. Now this is only $15. When we click away from the page, it can be lowered, $3 to $4 lower, and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So folks, this is an easy way to make money online. We all know autoresponders and email accounts is the way that people use. This is the main system people use to make money online, not SEO, collecting emails, sending your email list. But what happened is that Google has made it tougher to get to inbox your emails. In other words, your emails are going to the spam folder. This is a new technology using AI to get your emails in the inbox easily without paying a monthly fee. One-time fee $15, as low as $13, $12. So this is something that you need to take advantage of if you're not making money right now. And if you need to build your list, you need to actually use a system that is working. So click the link below to get more information. This is Larry Kearney. I'd like to thank you for watching my video, and it's time to get started making money with email lists without paying a monthly fee. Okay, this is Larry Kearney. Click the link below, and thanks for watching my video, and I'll see everyone in the next video.